Ever wondered why some ancient human structures echo the curves of mountains or the striking silhouette of a lone rock formation? Throughout history, people have drawn inspiration from the natural world around them. For example, the towering spires of Gothic cathedrals were often modeled after the upward-reaching trees of dense forests. In other cultures, temples were shaped to mimic nearby mountains, believed to be sacred. These choices weren't random. They reflected a deep reverence for nature's power and beauty, blending environment with imagination in timeless design.